Oh yeah, everyone can see from here.
When it melts, we'll clap.
So it is actually keeping up.
What temperature is it supposed to smell at?
280.
280.
We have set
Now
it
it is 150.
we have set it to 300. Then
Right.
it will go down.
We started too early.
This is like stored energy principle, I guess.
Oh, let's see if it goes out of focus.
This is the point at which the UV from the lamps burns your camera out.
Oh.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
No, it. What's the temperature?
204.
Sort of
Get
going
set
to
ready.
do something as well. Is the coin getting a little bit cleaner as well by default?
Yeah, it's hard. It's oh, it's got very bright. There you go.
It is
Yeah,
melting.
I can see it's going right.
Oh,
Went
yeah.
there.
So what's the temperature?
235.
Yeah.
There we go.
Because you're soldering.
So if you had